Welcome to an exciting journey through the cosmos. Today, we will take you through a story of space exploration that will change your perspective of the universe. Our voyage starts at the brink of the space age, a time of bold aspirations and groundbreaking achievements, a time when humanity dared to reach beyond the confines of our home planet. In the early days of space exploration, we had pioneers who dared to dream beyond the skies. Men like Yuri Gagarin, the first human to orbit the Earth, and Neil Armstrong, who left the first human footprint on the moon, dared to venture into the unknown. Their courage and determination paved the way for the astronauts and cosmonauts who would follow in their footsteps. Gagarin's historic flight on April 12, 1961, marked humanity's first steps into the vast expanse of space. The whole world watched as the Russian cosmonaut orbited the Earth, a feat that was both a technological marvel and a powerful symbol of human potential. A few years later, on July 20th, 1969, Armstrong took one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind, as he became the first human to set foot on the moon. His words, broadcast live to millions around the globe, captured the awe and wonder of an entire generation. These early space explorers were more than just astronauts. They were trailblazers, visionaries who saw the potential for humanity to expand beyond the confines of Earth. Their missions were fraught with danger and uncertainty, but they pressed on, driven by a thirst for knowledge and a desire to push the boundaries of what was possible. Their contributions to space exploration were monumental. They showed us that with courage, determination, and a spirit of exploration, there are no limits to what we can achieve. They set the stage for the countless missions and discoveries that would follow, sparking a fascination with the cosmos that continues to this day. These brave explorers paved the way into the unknown, setting the stage for a new era of discovery. A chapter in our history where we began to unlock the mysteries of the universe, one mission at a time. The Cold War sparked a space race between the United States and the Soviet Union. As political tensions were running high on Earth, the skies became the next frontier. The competition between these two superpowers ignited a flurry of technological advancements and pushed the boundaries of what was considered possible. This cosmic competition kicked off with the launch of Sputnik, the world's first artificial satellite, by the Soviet Union in 1957. The beep-beep sound it emitted while orbiting Earth was a signal to the world that the space race was on. The United States responded with Explorer 1, their first satellite, marking the beginning of an intense era of competition. Both nations then set their sights on the moon. The Soviet Union again took the lead with Luna 2, becoming the first spacecraft to reach the moon in 1959. The United States was not far behind. The Apollo program, announced by President John F. Kennedy, aimed to land a man on the moon and bring him safely back to Earth before the end of the 60s. The space race was not just about reaching new frontiers, it was also about the technological advancements that came with it. From advancements in computer technology to the development of new materials and scientific instruments, the space race had a profound impact on society. It inspired a generation of scientists, engineers, and ordinary people to dream big and reach for the stars. In 1969, the United States achieved the seemingly impossible. Neil Armstrong stepped onto the lunar surface uttering the famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." The moon landing marked a significant victory for the United States in the space race. The space race was a pivotal period in our history. It showed us the power of human ingenuity and determination. It pushed us to explore the unknown, to venture beyond our planet, and to dream of a future among the stars. Satellites, probes, and eventually manned missions marked a period of unprecedented advances. Our robotic explorers took us to planets, moons, and asteroids, revealing secrets about our own solar system. Imagine an explorer, tireless and undeterred by the harsh conditions of space. These explorers, however, are not human. They're robots, built by our brightest minds to traverse the great expanse of our cosmic neighborhood. Over the years, these robotic missions have provided us with invaluable insight into the celestial bodies that share our solar system. Take, for instance, the Mars rovers. These robotic explorers have been our eyes and ears on the red planet, studying its geology, atmosphere, and even searching for signs of past microbial life. The data they've sent back has transformed our understanding of Mars, painting a picture of a planet that once had conditions suitable for life. let's not forget our explorers that ventured even further. The Voyager probes, launched in the late 70s, have been journeying through the solar system and beyond for over 4 decades. Voyager 1, the farthest human-made object from Earth, has even entered interstellar space, providing us with data about this uncharted territory. Closer to home, robotic missions to our moon have helped us understand our closest celestial neighbor. From mapping the lunar surface to studying its thin atmosphere, these missions have laid the groundwork for future human exploration. And then there are missions to asteroids and comets like the Rosetta mission, which landed a probe on a comet for the first time in history. These explorations have given us a glimpse into the early solar system and the building blocks of life. Our robotic explorers have truly been pioneers, venturing into the unknown and providing us with a wealth of knowledge. Each mission, each discovery, brings us one step closer to understanding our place in this vast universe. From the Voyager probes to the Perseverance rover, we have unraveled cosmic mysteries. The International Space Station has become an orbital laboratory where research essential to life on Earth and future interplanetary missions is carried out. Orbiting at a height of roughly 250 miles above our planet, the ISS is a marvel of engineering and international cooperation. Over the years, it's been home to astronauts from 18 countries, serving as a peaceful outpost in the cosmos, where science knows no borders. From studying the effects of microgravity on the human body to conducting experiments that can't be performed on Earth, the work done on the ISS is helping pave the way for future deep space missions. Whether it's growing plants in space, studying cosmic rays, or developing new materials, the research conducted on the ISS has far-reaching implications. It's not just about exploring the universe, but also about improving life here on Earth. The ISS stands as a testament to international cooperation and our collective desire to explore the cosmos. Space exploration has taken us to Mars and beyond, but the challenges are immense. As we venture deeper into the cosmos, we face hurdles both familiar and unforeseen. The vast distances between celestial bodies, the pervasive radiation, the extreme cold, and the stark vacuum of space all pose significant obstacles. Yet it is these very challenges that spur our creativity and ignite our determination. Deep space exploration is an intricate dance with physics. It requires not only speed, but also precision and timing. For instance, let's consider a mission to Mars. The distance from Earth to Mars varies greatly due to the elliptical nature of their orbits. At its closest approach, Mars is some 33 million miles away. At its farthest, it's over 250 million miles distant. This means that we must carefully time our launches to coincide with the optimal alignment of the two planets, which occurs approximately every 2 years. The long duration of these missions also presents a host of challenges. Astronauts would be exposed to cosmic radiation for extended periods, which could have detrimental effects on their health. Moreover, the psychological impact of such a long, isolated journey in a confined space cannot be underestimated. Yet, despite these challenges, the future of space exploration is far from bleak. In fact, it is brimming with promise. Advancements in technology are continually pushing the boundaries of what's possible. For instance, new propulsion systems are being developed that could drastically reduce travel times. And research into radiation shielding and life support systems is making long-duration space travel more feasible. In the coming decades, we can expect a flurry of activity. Missions to Mars are already in the pipeline, with plans to establish a permanent human presence there. The Moon, too, is in our sights, with missions planned to explore its southern polar region, a largely uncharted territory. The future of space exploration looks exciting. Missions to Mars, the Moon and beyond are on the horizon. Humanity continues to look to the stars, driven by an innate curiosity and a desire to push the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities. Our story of space exploration is an ongoing saga. From the courageous first steps of our pioneering astronauts, through the competitive fervor of the space race, to the far-reaching voyages of our robotic explorers, we've been propelled by an unquenchable curiosity. We've made our home in orbit aboard the International Space Station and confronted the immense challenges of venturing to Mars and beyond. Yet, every challenge we've faced has only deepened our resolve. Every mystery we've unraveled has only intensified our curiosity. As we stand on the precipice of a new era of exploration, we're not just looking towards the stars, we're readying ourselves to reach them. Our journey is far from over. In fact, it's just getting started. Each step we've taken has been a leap towards an extraordinary future, a future where humanity can reach the stars. Thank you for joining us on this journey through space history. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting space stories.